Well, we're going to go with the Bok Choi for dinner because I can't help myself. If I can get my knees down here on the ground again. At least one knee. Okay. Now, just lift this tool up. A little reading while I'm in here. How incredible is this stuff? Look at that. Okay, and we'll switch over to the other side. This is probably worlds for us to have for dinner. We'll get one more leaf and stop. So, here's our Bok Choi. Is this stuff incredible? No bug damage. None at all. So, this will be dinner tonight. And as you can see, the plants will continue right on growing. They don't even know anything happened to them. Got to get the other stuff watered. So, this is David at Grow and Eat This. Starting to harvest some Bok Choi. Chinese cabbage is right behind it. Showing you how well my tool and PVC bug covers are doing. Just an outstanding addition to my garden equipment. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the little like button or thumbs up or whatever. And the notifications will tell you when the next one goes up. This is David. I really appreciate everybody watching the video. Hope it's useful. Put your own tips down there for me because I can always use more tips. Thank you for watching. This is David at Grow and Eat This.